Hello, class. I wanted to go ahead and go over interpreting a histogram. So we work in class in the DQ's major assignments in creating these, but we don't really read them to what they have to give us. So we'll go over that real quick and just make sure you understand what's going on. So this one's dealing with the number of work stoppages and the number of bottling plants. So you can read a little more detail up here on what's going on with the problem. But just reading the numbers as we go through, let's just talk about those for now, and then you can apply it to any of the histograms that you see. So in this one, it says how many bottling plants had from 25 to 31 work stoppages. So the 25 to 31, that's going to be down here along our x-axis. So we want to go ahead and find where that tall column is that we can count up. And then we're just going to see what it matches up with on our y-axis. So it's telling us that there are 5 of them that have 25 to 31. So that's just the basic reading one of the columns. You may find some that say how many for 18 or more. Well, in that case, then you would go ahead and add up all 3 of these bars to work through for the total there. Okay, and how many bottling plants had 24 or fewer work stoppages? So here's the opposite of that. So we're dealing with 24 or less. So we're going to go with 6 plus 9, which gives us 15, plus another 4, which gives us 19. And the last one here that we're working with is dealing with the class width. So the class width is going to be the width that we have each class. So you want to be careful, because if you look at this, you think, well, 10 minus 4 gives me 6. Well, it's including 10 and 4, so you need to account for that. So what you're really doing is you're taking the lower limit of one of the bins, so 11, minus the lower limit of the other bin. So 11 minus 4, which gives us 7. And if you think about it, so this bin here is the number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 7 numbers in there, even though it sort of looks like there's only 6. That's sort of the tricky part. So as you're reading histograms, make sure you're looking at the bins down here at the bottom when you're talking about certain categories, and the y-axis here will tell us the quantity that we're working with for each of those categories, and some of them are adding them up to figure out the totals. All right, hope that was a quick little video on histograms to help you with that.